Day 4, post-radiation journey. Red zone on my neck officially activated. It hasn't cracked open yet, but it is very itchy and sore. And under my arm is still extremely sore. Hope you guys can see that. It is very much cracked open, very red. I'm continuing to apply all the creams that they gave me, but so far it doesn't really seem to be helping all that much. If you guys are following along and you've been through a similar journey, please feel free to share and let me know how long it took for your radiation rash to heal. I'd love to hear that. And don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button and keep following along. Thanks.